Did you know that Harness Code Repository comes with built-in vulnerability scanner? To enable the settings, go to Settings. Under the Security tab, you will find the option to toggle vulnerability scanning. It comes with two modes. One is a detect to report errors but not block. The other one will actively block the commit if there's any vulnerability found. Let's go ahead with that option. I'll hit save. I have this repository cloned locally, and I'll replace the existing go.mod with a version that I know has known vulnerabilities. All right, now I'll add a meaningful commit message and then push in the change. And I'll see in the git log that this push is blocked by the scanner. It shows the details. The push contains vulnerabilities and the severity, which package, and the advisory as well. You can follow this link to learn more about these vulnerabilities.